What is going on, MOASS Nation? So I wanted to bring y'all this very quick update, and we are going to get right into it. But before we do, go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. So we need to talk about earnings because earnings is tomorrow, November the 8th. Now, I've made other videos about earnings already, and we kind of got into detail about earnings in those videos, so I'm going to operate under the assumption that you've already seen those. What I do need to add today is something about Aron. So, in the previous videos, and without getting into too much detail, we know that we're more than likely going to beat on earnings, but that's not really what could spark a MOASS. But what could spark a MOASS is Aron. You see, when you're betting on a company, you're essentially betting on management, on the leadership of that company. And Aron being the CEO, he's got tons of tricks up his sleeve. You never know what in the heck he could announce. So I'm not saying that he will or will not announce anything special or anything new, but that's something that we could potentially see tomorrow, and it's something that you should expect and be ready for. We know that Aron likes to surprise, and we know that he's got a fire lit under his ass right now. So I just wanted to leave y'all with some food for thought. You got about a day to think about it. You got the rest of your Sunday. And now I'm going to leave you with that so you can think about it for the rest of your beautiful Sunday. I know it's beautiful down here. I'm not sure where you're at, but let me know in the comments below. Anyhow, that's all I have for today's video. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I will see you guys back at work tomorrow.